This premium eye hold transfer foil. Go ahead and apply all entire the nails. And keep it for 30 seconds. Make sure you apply completely on the nails or else it would not transfer for you. Alright, so keep it for 30 seconds. Since I am doing it, I'm going to do another one. It's a red one. I'm going to do some of the snowflakes. Also keep for 30 seconds. And I'm going to take this one, this number 87. I'm going to get this flat. That's how you call that, right? The flat. The foil.
I think this one is like t-shirt pattern or something.
Flat.
It's very pretty.
So 30 seconds is up. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm going to do just half of the nails. You can do full nails if you prefer. It just really is up to you. Make sure you rub it. Good pressure so then it can transfer pretty much everything. And I'm going to go ahead and using dual end tweezers.
Hey, Gentilini, we just started. So we just started with transfer 4. You haven't missed anything yet.
Yes. Hello, Jan. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Great. So I am good at how it could transfer completely. And the other ones I did was the red one. And it transferred pretty much everything. So now if you are, I do it half a nails because I like to decorate it on the nails, and I'll add some crystal. Before that, I'm going to move this is exclusive Black Friday crystal kits. I'll move it right here next to me so then you can able to see. I'm going to use those to create. And also this centerpiece, is this up on the website yet? Mm-hmm. Yes or no? But it's okay. We're going to get this one instead of centerpiece. I'm going to show you. We're going to have a lot of ideas created from this Black Friday. If you miss this one, after Black Friday, I don't know what to say because it's have everything we need. It's okay. We're going to do this one instead of that centerpiece. And I'm going to use this centerpiece. It's so... And there's like 1, 2, there are 22 different, like 20 different crystal, and each of the crystal will have so many of a crystal shape. You can see all the descriptions on. So it had this one has 60, has 6 different designs and has 60 pieces, 6 different dies, 60 pieces, 6 different designs, and all of them, each of them have a 6 different designs and have a full pack of 1400 of crystal glow in the dark neon. And it's mixed, absolutely. It's just so gorgeous. And you have every single shape pretty much Glitz have. So I'm go ahead and using this condensed glue gels. Applies it on. Can you put it on the under the spot? 87 just in case, because I am going to do more designs on that, but I'm going to show you how simple, easy it is. And I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 coat of the condensed glue gels. Not too thick and not too thin. Something is stuck in there. What about? And I'll go ahead and using no wipe top coat. Oh my god, I like that one. I want this one.
Ooh, chain. Maybe.
I want that one. So can you get me the cut? The chain cutting? Oh, nice. Crystal clipper. The cutter is right there. Sorry, only have one hand, so I'm gonna try to. So I didn't, as you see, I didn't put any of condensed glue gel yet because I'm gonna get this chains on the nail first, and then you also can coat the top coat right on the chain. To keep the chain stay nice and flat on the nails. There you go. All right. Cool. Now we are going to using. Oh, I have a nice on it. So many of them is so beautiful. I can either use this, so beautiful, or I can do this, so beautiful. They're all so beautiful. And I'm gonna take one of this chain. This tray is full of the beads and the frame. I might have to pull it out, half of them, because then I can using the beads underneath here because there's a lot of them right here. Thank you, babe. Oh my gosh, look at that. So many colors of the chains. I can I'm gonna put it right in the where I want it to be, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna move my crystal a little bit like below the frame. I like it like that way. And oh my gosh, in this crystal kit just have everything you wanted it. I even have the crystal that I needed it for every single colors. You gotta check this kit out because this is only as happens once a year when we have a special is a Black Friday. We always have a special kits for Black Friday. And when the Black Friday sales is gone, these kits will not either not gonna be available, or the price will not gonna be like this price that we are offering right now. So I'm so excited to share with you, and also to do a lot of tutorials with you as oh, this is really cool though. I like that a lot. When else the whole entire pack, it has so many colors. Oh, I'm starting making a mess right now, babe.
I'll clean it up.
Look, I trip over that. Oh my goodness.
Yep, I guess just a quick note. We have the whole kit spread out into a little tray so you can see how much we get with the kit. But don't do it like us, because yeah, you're still gonna be a pain cleaning them up.
No, you have a tray. You are going to get a tray.
Yes, you do have some tray, but you don't have to spread it.
No.
Like
Do you have the do you have a container?
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Yes, it will come with a container.
With the Glitz exclusive container.
Yes, but would you agree that this just look nicer? But yes, they are very prone to spilling, so be careful.
Make sure that. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into using some beads.
Hey Vanessa, so yes, the kits right now is available on GlitzSuccessAndSuch.com. Head over to new arrival and you will see the kit right there.
This is for exclusive. It's Black Friday. You have everything you could imagine. Like, let me see how many total of the shape you are going to do to have. I mean, so 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 different color. I mean, hold on, 15 different tray. So each tray has 6 different designs, right? That's a lot.
That is a lot. You will never running out of things to do with this kit, to be honest. So this should last you for a good year. And if you actually get it done before a year, congrats, because that is a lot of money in your pocket.
We put in the best of the best on this special kits for Black Friday. Every single year we have a one is exclusive, specially is reserved for Black Friday. Can't find anywhere. You don't see it's like during years at all. That's it. This is the kit for special holidays. I do really like it. So if you see the videos that I did it from last year, if you was with us in the last year or last few years, thank you so much for amazing love and support, and thank you so much for all of new follower. Thank you so much for amazing love and support. And you can able to see there's every years we have an exclusive kits, and we created so many designs for a Black Friday. I mean, and doing a Black Friday stream besides all year round. And just talking about that, thank you so much for another amazing years for love and support. You know what I did? After I finished, I was thinking of I'm missing something. Do you know what I'm missing?
Mm-hmm.
Did I do a top coat already?
You did? Yeah, you had no white top coat on it.
I didn't.
You did?
I didn't. Did I?
Pretty sure you did.
I don't think so. Remember, I put the chain on.
You put the chain out with condensed and no white already on.
No.
Yeah, you put condensed, no white, then the chain, then all the crystal.
Are you sure?
Well, once you cure, you will know. If you have sticky later, you get it.
I don't think I did, but you want to bet with me?
Well, sure, I'll bet with you.
$20?
Easy money.
$20? Okay,
money.
$20. So
All
I
right.
said that I forgot the top coat on.